How to remove lice with lemon. Amazing! Head lice spread easily from person to person through contact with contaminated hair, clothing, beds, combs or brushes. The typical symptoms of lice are the feeling that something is walking on the head, itchy and sometimes red lumps on the scalp and neck. If you or someone in your family starts having head lice, you should take care of the problem immediately. Nudging with your hands and combing your hair with a lice comb can help a lot. But these methods can take a long time and are only effective when the problem is detected in time. Fortunately, there are many home treatments to get rid of head lice. Lemon juice to remove lice from the hair. Lemon juice can also be used to eradicate hair lice thanks to its natural acid. In addition, it is very effective to prevent an infestation if you have been warned at school or daycare that other children have been infected. Apply a little freshly squeezed lemon juice to the scalp. Leave on for 30 minutes, then rinse with vinegar and finally with warm water. Use this treatment once a week to prevent the spread of these insects. To know how to remove lice, add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to a fine paste made with 4 cloves of garlic. Apply this mixture over the head and massage the whole scalp very well. Wrap the hair with a thick towel and let the mixture act for half an hour. Then rinse with water and bathe with shampoo. Repeat this procedure for 5 days in a row to kill the lice. Another very effective option to eliminate lice naturally is with olive oil. A very effective method is to grease the hair with olive oil. Once greased, a lice comb is used. This accumulates them in the comb to facilitate their extraction. If it is a girl's long hair, the hair should be separated by wicks or sections to make the job easier.